Join ninZaFamily. Download free indicators, settings, and chat live with pro traders.
Elswee Scalping Flow X Infinity Engine, first live integration test. In this video, I'm testing the combination of the Elswee Scalping Flow bundle with the Infinity Engine, the new strategy builder system from NINZA Co. The goal of this integration is simple but powerful: to incorporate as many operational conditions and confirmations as possible into the Infinity Engine while keeping execution structured and controlled. This is the first rundown using this combination. It's not a polished or finalized setup, it's an early stage test. You may notice some malfunctions or imperfect behavior. That's expected at this stage. The system is still being configured and refined, but I wanted to do a real test drive in a live market environment to see how it behaves under real conditions. The test is being executed on an Apex 50K evaluation account with a small drawdown threshold, so risk control and discipline remain a priority. This is about learning, observing, and validating the process, not forcing performance. Let's see how it performs and where this takes us. I'll need to make a few adjustments, as I've noticed some duplicated orders on certain trades. This is expected at this stage, since the configuration panel currently has multiple sets running at the same time. The objective now is to identify which of these sets delivers the best performance while maintaining proper risk control. The Infinity Engine offers the flexibility to assign a specific ATM strategy to each configured set. In this test, we're using the same ATM across the board for simplicity. However, once we move toward an officialized template, this detail will be fully incorporated, with ATMs properly adjusted and matched to each set's behavior and risk profile. In this test, we're only using conditions based on some of the indicators included in the bundle: superior ADX DMI, imbalance volume sensor, and AAA trend sync. We still need to implement multi-OSC OBOS and the sonar-like iceberg finder, and I'll also verify whether the volume candle's bias can be used as a state condition for hit bars. As you can see, the number of possible combinations is significant. From this workflow alone, we can eventually derive multiple Infinity Engine templates, each tailored to different market behaviors and risk profiles. During this session, volatility was high and erratic, driven by a news event impacting the Nasdaq. Despite those conditions, the Infinity engine demonstrated its execution speed and responsiveness under pressure. I normally aim for $500 targets, but since this is an evaluation test, I decided to let it run as far as it made sense. That said, the goal is not to sacrifice the account or push it to the point of failure. We still need to implement the official scalping flow bundle sequence. No restrictions on signal sources. The system allows multiple signal sources to be combined within a single strategy, including encoded and non-encoded signals, required input indicators such as multi-timeframe fusion and multi-instrument synergy, as well as third-party indicators and systems. As long as an indicator outputs its signal as readable text on the chart, the system can interpret it and integrate it directly into the strategy logic. Unlimited number of conditions. The Infinity Algo engine does not impose artificial limits on how strategies are built. A single signal can be defined as one condition set with an unlimited number of conditions, and a strategy itself can contain an unlimited number of condition sets. Each condition set represents a distinct entry scenario, such as trend continuation, pullbacks, or failed breakouts and traps. This flexibility allows multiple trading logics to run in parallel on the same chart, enabling entries from different signal types within a single strategy. With no limit on the number of conditions, strategies can be built to match the trader's logic, not the other way around. No one-size-fits-all trade management. The system does not follow a one-size-fits-all approach. Each signal type can be assigned its own automated trade management (ATM) rules, including customized entries, exits, trailing stops, and risk management parameters. Multiple ATM strategies can run simultaneously on the same chart without conflict, allowing different trading logics to operate in parallel. You remain fully in control of how each strategy manages risk and execution, while the system ensures consistency without the need for manual intervention. The Infinity Algo engine also supports max daily profit and max daily loss limits, helping protect the account from excessive losses and overtrading. The system has just been released, so there's still a long way to go before unlocking its full potential. So far, it has proven to be excellent and very easy to configure with a gentle learning curve. The key focus now is learning how to feed the conditions correctly, using the proper logic and appropriate parameter values. This is a clear example of how challenging today's market was. Notice how the chart kept printing levels that, at least in my opinion, were significant. Yet they were absorbed and invalidated with remarkable ease. The Infinity Algo engine is designed to reflect how traders actually think and execute. It does this by clearly separating the decision process into two critical stages. The hit bar defines context. It's the candle that validates market conditions and confirms that the environment is suitable to begin looking for a trade. The signal bar defines execution. It's the candle that confirms the entry criteria and triggers the order. By separating context from execution, strategies remain clean, readable, and fully controllable. Your original trading logic is preserved, even when the process is automated, without turning the strategy into a black box. From this point on, I'll leave you with the rest of the video. The session ended with 17 winners and 7 losers over a 21-minute period, for a total profit of $2,015. For me, this is an outstanding result. I'll continue refining and developing this combination, as it's clear that Infinity and the Elswee scalping flow have the potential to deliver excellent performance. In this session, I tested the integration between the Infinity engine and the Elswee scalping flow bundle in a live market environment. The focus was not on creating a finished or optimized template, but on validating behavior, execution flow, and condition handling under real volatility. Despite a challenging session marked by high and erratic price action, the system demonstrated strong responsiveness, flexibility, and execution speed. The session concluded with 17 winning trades and 7 losing trades over a 21-minute period, resulting in a total profit of $2,015. From my perspective, this outcome is outstanding, especially considering that this is still an early-stage configuration. I'll continue refining this combination, as it's clear that the Infinity Engine and the Elswee Scalping Flow bundle can work together effectively and show strong potential when properly configured. Both the Infinity Engine and the Elswee Scalping Flow bundle are available through ninza.co. The results shown in this session are not guaranteed, cannot be assumed to be repeatable, and do not imply future performance. This content is shared strictly for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing shown here should be considered trading advice, a recommendation, a ready-to-use template, or a guarantee of results. Markets change. Risk is always present, and each trader is responsible for their own decisions, execution, and risk management. Thank you all so much for the continued support, the messages, and for taking the time to join me throughout this video. I truly appreciate it. Until the next one, stay blessed, my friends, and Happy New Year 2026.
Join the ninZaFamily forum to stay connected, ask questions, and explore ideas with our team and other traders. There's a lot more waiting for you inside. Links in the description. Thanks for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss our latest content.